you have to give designers a sense of autonomy, but accountability. So none of us want to feel trapped, right? It's never good to feel trapped, that you're being micromanaged, especially us designers type, because like I said, we're stubborn, we're tricky. The last thing we want is to be confined in a box. We want to have the creativity, and we want to work with customers, and we want to understand their needs, and we want to help them. However, we all need guidance in life. So giving your team the guidance they need to stay productive and on task is extremely fruitful to your company or your overall mission. But you also need to give them space to do what they do best, right? You hired them, you partnered with them, whatever it may be. You brought them on for a specific reason because of their skill set. So you don't want to hold that too closely to where they're not able to do what they do. But on the other hand, you have to give them the guidance to make sure that everyone's aligned on the same goals, on the same task, and can move forward with that.
Be sure to subscribe to KBB's YouTube channel and click the like button on our videos. You can also subscribe to the From the Tap podcasts on such apps as Apple, Spotify, Pandora, and Google Podcasts. And please feel free to leave a review.